maybe not.
Oh!
Double choke slam! Boom shakalaka!
Tell me you didn't just say boom shakalaka.
Oh, he
Tell
did.
me you didn't.
And here we go. All the WWE superstars going after Big Show and Shaquille O'Neal. Remember, he got to go over the top rope.
Whoa,
Both feet must
wait a
hit the
minute.
floor.
Wait a minute. Mark Henry's knocked out.
He's not eliminated. He's got to go over the top rope.
We got a standoff again.
This is dumb.
Yeah, Fandango.
I mean, this is Ada was stupid. He wants his own WrestleMania moment. I don't blame him.
Well,
you got one, Fandango.
And you're eliminated. Yeah, eliminated too.
Goodbye. Dumber.
Oh, no. Remember last year, though, Sandow. He almost won the whole thing.
Now Shaq just eliminated Sandow.
Well, he won't this year.
So much for Hack-a-Shack.
You didn't say that.
Yes,